conditioner caters to small and medium-sized rooms ranging from 100 to 180 square feet. This health conditioner eliminates airborne germs to give you healthy and clean air. The smart inverter compressor in this AC facilitates an instant response and automatic adjustment depending upon the heat load to stabilize a precise temperature condition to the lowest noise. Equipped with an active shield technology, this health conditioner helps eliminate airborne viruses and bacteria and also deodorizes the air to create a fresher and cleaner living environment. It's an all-season health conditioner that keeps the air inside your homes healthy. During winter, just switch to a fan mode to get clean air without cooling. Its self-clean technology provides a clean and safe airflow, which works as a competent dust filter to improve the quality of the air you breathe. For a longer life with better cooling performance, the unit uses durable and quality copper coil. You can also turn on the turbo mode to get a boost in cooling, helping cool the room faster. When you want an optimum cooling with lower electricity usage, switch to Eco mode. This helps in saving energy. The unit has a golden anti-corrosive coating, salty air, rain and other corrosive elements. This AC uses R32 refrigerant that has high efficiency and a positive overall life cycle climate performance. Available with a 1-year warranty on functional parts, with a 5-year warranty on the condenser, evaporator, controller and on-active shield. Additionally, it comes with 10 years warranty on compressor. Get this